smells like camera, like brightness.
Really? Now you decide to record now that it's gone? I'm just gonna record the rest of it, screw it.
Oh, that's lame. I'm gonna do that. I'll wait for the grand finale to do that. The Instagram one.
You need a fireball? Oh, you guys gotta make sure you cover the baby's ears with a fireball. Or something. You can't hear that one. That's definitely.
We're gonna feel the heat go. Look at ducks. Run, ducks! Make some chicken at y'all. Go up there.
You can't make chicken out of ducks.
Yes, you can, Annika. It tastes like chicken. I tried duck. It tastes like chicken. Princess is scared. Princess is like, oh my god, what's going on here in my ears?
For real. Oh. I'm gonna get behind you guys.
Oh, that was amazing. Should I do this? This is the grand finale? No. That's when they shoot a lot, right?
Well, yeah.
That was pretty cool. Now come on, dude. That was like a...
That one looked like an explosion.
I wonder how somebody looking up from that, looking down. You're up there in the sky, looking down at that.
Ah.
I closed my eyes when I saw that flash. Did you? What is like a bright light?
Oh, it looked pretty cool.
It was pretty bright, yeah.
I closed my eyes, but I didn't happen.
I saw it. It was so epic and awesome and beautiful.
And then it's on. Oh, no, it's not.
Oh man. Come
on. Folks,
I'm trying to wait. That's all I got. Y'all did so much.
You could have just recorded the whole thing and Instagrammed it later. You could upload videos too, I think.
Oh, you should do it. Why am I doing this? You should be doing this. I gotta admit, it's kind of lame.
I think. I'm not sure if you can. I'm pretty sure you can, but who knows?
I don't think so.
You're recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. See, it's counting up there.
Okay. I don't see no green line.
That's because I'm just recording regular. He's Instagramming.
See that one, right?
What?
That one's good, right, Annika?
Yeah.
America. Fairies.
I need to put a caption on it.
Oh well. YOLO.
Processing. It takes a long time to process. It was 50 seconds, so.
Picture of Janet?
No. That's her friend Emmy, her friend.
What about Janet?
That's right.
She awake?
Yeah. I would wake up to this. Oh, man.
This is the finale. I think this might be the finale chord.
Finale. Got
I
it?
love how they're all popping right in the same spot.
Yeah. Except for that one right there.
That one's like, I'm going by myself.
Yeah, they're all popping in the same spot.
Hey, it's not doing the fire, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's like right.
Yeah, alright, cool. Don't answer Joe's question now.
I don't know.
Is it? Nope, not over yet. like, wait, we forgot some.
We forgot the last bit of this. It's taking too long to process. It's taking too long.
Is it over now?
Look at the ducks.
Nope,
Oh my
not
god,
yet.
we got the ducks right here.
There's a whole bunch of ducks right there.
Throw some rocks at them so they won't fly out here and they'll freak out.
Don't do it.
Go there with a machine gun. You know you can play 4 players on Grand Theft Auto?
Really?
Yeah, I saw
Which
people
one?
playing it.
Which one?
The 4th one.
I thought a 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, put shit on that one.
Yeah, I saw people playing it. Yeah, I saw it like online. It's pretty cool looking.
This is some crazy shit.
Man, it was funny. They did some stupid ass shit to each
Yeah,
other.
Grand Theft
They
Auto is
shoot
one
like
of those
bazookas
games.
at each other and they go boom.